Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to test a microphone on your Windows 11 computer, and your system will let you know if by hearing it, it'll listen to the sound, and it'll tell you if it is working or not. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start button, and then you want to select Settings. Select the sound option on the right side. Again, this should be under System and then select Sound. You can search for sound in the search as well. And on the right side here, you want to go ahead down to Input, choose a recording device for speakers or recording. Click inside the drop down here to expand the selection if there might be multiple microphones listed. And you should be able to see the volume if the microphone is being detected or not. It should be moving as you see it on my screen. And you're welcome to add another device here by selecting the Add Device button and go ahead and walk through the process of setting up additional device. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.